Here we got a 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew, 25,000 mile one owner with a clean CarFax in gray. Really nice truck here. Has some nice options with the XLT. It also has a chrome package. We'll kind of go through some of the highlights, give a final walk around on the condition at the end of the video. So we'll start off here. Chrome package of the chrome bumpers front and rear, chrome tow hooks as you can see there. Also gives you the upgraded front chrome grille with the chrome honeycomb behind it. Good looking front end. You also see halogen headlamps and integrated fog lights and a lower bumper fascia. So continue around to the side here, another upgrade, 18-inch chrome wheels. Goodyear Wranglers all the way around, 3/4 tread or so, and you can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Now we're going to take a look through the passenger side front seat. First thing you'll notice, the 40/20/40 fold down center console allows for 6 passenger seating. You also can see light gray cloth seats with dark charcoal carpeting and a 2-tone dash. Continues throughout the door panel there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the report I was speaking of. See, we do have the books up there and all the factory towing and adapters there when it was new. Tires in good depth. They actually don't have the depths here, but they seem to be about 7/32 or 8. You can see they're listed that way. And then the brakes here, all new brakes all the way around, looks like front and rear. So we do not skimp on reconditioning on these vehicles. We completely go over them. We do not want you to have to spend any money on brakes and tires and things like that. Fresh oil change, fresh state inspection. We do replace air filters. So we look through the side here, you can see another chrome package upgrade is the 5-inch door-to-door chrome running boards and door handles, as you can see. And then looking into the back, of course, obviously all kinds of room in this crew cab, very spacious rear. And the other nice thing, you can see it has the rubber mats front and rear all the way around, help protect your interior. You do have a 12-volt power supply there on the back as well. And now this is the 145-inch 5.5-foot box, 145-inch wheelbase, and you can see there no rust on the frame rail. Like I say, all the tires match. You do get a chrome exhaust tip on the chrome package as well. And as we come around to the back, you can see Class 3 tow hitch with an integrated 7-way round right there and a 4-way flat underneath. It does have a backup camera. It does have a Ford drop-in bed liner. Working our way around to the driver's side here just to show you all the tires match. Give you a shot of that frame rail. Looks good, full-size spare down there. Give a look through the rear from the driver's side, but it's a very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit, allow you to leave the vehicle running, lock contents up, quick errand, and manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well. We also, one thing this vehicle does have, it does have the Ford factory upgrade on a remote start. So you do get remote start as well as the integrated key fob. On the door, you'll find your power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Let's go ahead and hop in here. You can see 25,085 miles on the odometer, so really good miles for an 18. Start it up. While it warms up, let's show you the auto history report. You can see no accidents or damage, one owner. Good looking CarFax there. Let's continue the tour. We have electronic parking brake down there. This is the button for your fog lights, button for your cargo. Does have automatic headlamps, and you can see the dimmer for your interior. Stem to the left is your intermittent wiper washers on the end. High beams and turn signals. We have to the left top of the steering wheel is your control pad for your center display. See right now it shows digital speedometer. There's tire pressure monitoring, distance tow empty. Different tripometers and whatnot. Cruise control is to the lower left of the wheel. Upper right of the wheel is your audio controls. Lower right is your hands-free sync. Over here you can see a couple nice upgrades. This is your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case, but it does have the locking rear differential, just pull out. It does have the trailer backup assist, and down below it does have the brake brake controller, excuse me. So this vehicle is equipped with a factory upgraded tow package. Now it has your standard AM/FM satellite radio with the ability to connect your media, either USB or Bluetooth, as well as Paraphone. We also got your downhill descent control, we got your traction control, we got your 4-ways, and we got the ability to turn off your auto stop feature. Analog controls for your radio and your climate are below that with your single CD. Below that you have your USB as well as another 12-volt power supply there, as you can see. 2 cup holders there on the floor, 2 more in the fold down center console with a little tray to keep some items. We got a flip dim there on your rear view with 2 LED map lights. Visor is mirrored but not illuminated. Mirrored on the passenger side as well. We do have a 12-volt power supply over there also, so a lot of places to hook up and charge your electric devices. Let's go ahead and look underneath the hood. This truck should have the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. It is turbocharged. It gets the best fuel efficiency in the Ford's engine line up there. There you see the 2.7 liter EcoBoost, but very quiet and clean. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks. No corrosion on the battery terminals, as you can see there. Give you a peek inside, but it's obviously low mileage and in good shape, well maintained by the previous owner. All right, now just to recap: 3/4 tread on the tires, new brakes all around. Also 1 owner, no accidents on the history, good low mileage for the year. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. So just going to quickly walk the truck in this case, show you any dings or dents or scratches it may have. A little bit of dirt up there. Might have the tiniest of dents right up there, but man, that's being super picky. That's what I want to be here for you guys. A little scuff there on the cover. I'm trying to give you a good angle down the bedside here so we can pick up any dents, but I don't see any. The bumper looks good. Tailgate has a couple little fine scratches that we buffed out. Obviously the protective cap has some gouges in it, but that's what it's there for. A little tiny chip right there and right there. But this is a nice clean truck. Working our way up the passenger bedside now. Do the same with it, try to see if we can find any dings. We try to only get the cleanest vehicles that are come available to us, so usually this part of the video goes as this one is, pretty quickly. We also have professionals come in, remove any minor dents, touch up any minor scratches. A couple little chips here across the painted lower bumper fascia. But our goal is to give you a like new vehicle to used car price. See a few more chips on the hood as well. And this one definitely flips the bill, guys. It's still covered under the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warnings, transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.